गोय काँग्रेसीचे प्रदेशाध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकरान वेदांता आयर्न एंड स्टील लिमिटेड कंपनीचे 15 जून ह्या दिसा प्रस्तावित शेअर बाजार सूचीकरणाक स्थगिती दिवपाची मागणी करीत SEBI पत्र धाडला। तशेंच कंपनीन 16,500 कोटी रुपया संभाव्य आर्थिक दायित्वाची माहिती लिपयल्या असो आरोप चोडणकरान आपल्या पत्रात केला। कंपनीन फायदो मेळोवपा खातीर बेकायदेशीर रितीन 31% खनिज परदेशात निर्यात केल्ले असो आरोप चोडणकरान केला।
वेदांता लिमिटेड ह्या कंपनीचेर नॉन डिस्क्लोजर ऑफ 16,500 crores contingent liability and requesting the SEBI to withhold the listing permission for Vedanta Iron and Steel Limited (VISL), which is scheduled to be listed on 15th June 2026, that is tomorrow. So tomorrow the SEBI is scheduled to list Vedanta Iron and Steel Limited shares. So that means the name will start appearing in the stock exchange. Our problem is that the Supreme Court of India has clearly and repeatedly said that the ore that is beneath in the Goa's soil belongs to people of Goa, and nobody can make profit out of that. No private company can mine that ore and keep the profit beyond what is lease permits them. Now this extracted ore can be used for their own consumption up to that the limit. Now here the problem is, out of the extracted ore, nearly 31% of its total production has been sold overseas for profit, which otherwise belongs to people of Goa, as per the Supreme Court order, which they have repeatedly said.